Breaking news as Trump announces a 12-hour ceasefire leading to a full ceasefire between Israel and Iran. Markets absolutely ripping higher, pushing into new record territory, while crude, on the other hand, a very different story. Let's talk about market wrap up here, and let's dive into this market briefing. Taking a look at Brent Crude first. Crude skyrocketed at the open, leaping to $81 before a 7% pullback, finishing the day after the announcement at $68.50. A massive pullback for Brent Crude. Now, West Texas didn't really fare much better either, pulling back quite significantly throughout the day. Now, if we're taking a look at silver, silver did hold its level at $35.75, and I am anticipating that it should continue to hold. This is a critical level for silver, and I'd love to see the support level hold up. Now, gold, on the other hand, should fall to a little bit of pressure here, currently sitting at $33.72, and that is with a little bit of selling here this evening. Now, if we take a look at U.S. equities, again, pushing towards record territories, and futures are definitely strong tonight. The Dow actually finished up about 1%, closing at 42,582. The S&P closed up about 1% as well, closing at 60.25, and the Nasdaq up 1% as well at about 19,630. Now, shares in energy and defense absolutely led the way, while global yields dipped as risk-off sentiment moved, in addition to Fed officials almost confirming a July rate drop, pushing markets higher and yields down. Now, if we're taking a look at Bitcoin here, we did see the rebound that we anticipated, sitting at about 101K after falling under about 100,000, sitting in the mid 99s for much of Sunday. Crypto volatility remains very high right now, but that sentiment is stabilizing. Now, altcoins like Solana also saw a sharp decline. Traders are eyeing whether Bitcoin can hold the level at 100K here ahead of the macro news that we're going to get this week. Now, what key indicators did we see this week? Well, oil dipped below $70, a de-escalation confidence, a very strong indicator there. Silver above $36. We'd love to see that safe haven inflow. Tech stocks broadly across the board, we can anticipate it to move higher, and we're looking for a Bitcoin breakout here. We're also going to be monitoring the Fed commentary. Bowman already spoke. Let's see what else can be fueled towards that rate cut. Now, if ceasefire holds up and no rollout into the Strait of Hormuz, well, then we can expect further calm, and these markets are absolutely going to rally. But if talks collapse or Iran reopens the strait, brace for renewed strikes on oil, gold, as well as volatility across all sectors. But that's it for now, everybody.